Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a brand mood board. So pretty much what an identity mood board is, it's a physical or digital pictures that arrange from images, text elements, and other designs into a final style to present to your client. So it's a way visually showing ideas to your client so everybody's on the same page and knows what to design when it comes to designing, their brand or their business. So let's jump right into it. So I did have someone buy a custom Shopify website for me, drop shipping. So I do have to make a custom website, which is this one right here. So I do sell, I do have a service for custom drop shipping websites. And this is what one of my clients bought, and they got the platinum. So I have to make a custom dropshipping store, and this is what it comes with. Platinum right here. She already has her own logos, but I'm gonna do a mood board just to get some identity of what type of store she wants. So or as far as like branding, but this is Pinterest. This is the mood board I created for her. She said the theme, like what she wants, is like a baddie pink store, something like Fashion Nova. So this is just a couple of things I do have. So I'm going to start downloading some images.
You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. Because you let me Shit ain't fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you top me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you let me
So at this point, I would name the mood board just so I can send it to my client, just so they could take a look at it. And this is pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Just so my client can know her branding as well as far as brand colors, so everything with her business is cohesive. So thank you for watching, and I would see you guys in the next video. Bye.